And
What program?
I don't know what it was called.
So two things, Judge. How I was addressing the drug court was that she was not able to provide for herself, not provide for the drug court because of financial issues. So that's issue number one. And then issue number two is that according to my client, the felony probation officer told her that if she was able to just pay off her fees, they would terminate her from probation. I know that that's not necessarily the way that it works, but that's how it was discussed with her. And it's not the first time I've heard that being discussed with the client. So I think just for court's clarity, I think that's what she's speaking about.
Okay.
And let me give you the documentation on the medical.
And then my other question is, it said that you owed $743.99 to HEB. Has that been paid?
Yeah, ma'am.
I'm sorry?
No, ma'am, not yet.
All right, you've had since 2018 to pay that. Why hasn't that been paid?
I wasn't always employed, but that's not my fault.
But I mean, it's since 2018 and you haven't paid a penny to that? That's a problem.
Yes, ma'am.
And then this is not your first motion to revoke. That's a problem.
I understand.
So what have you done? Have you done anything other than this is your second motion to revoke?
I've just got employed. I mean, I've just, been
I mean, if you haven't done anything, I mean, just tell me.
No, ma'am, I haven't done anything towards the courts. You're right.
Because you were placed on probation before I was presiding judge in this court. And then you had a motion to revoke, and it was violations of 5 and 5. And according to this, you have children. That's why I told you to do parenting classes.
Okay.
And it appears you haven't done anything since 2018.
Sorry.
I mean, I don't even know. Somebody explained to me why I should give you a year instead of 2 years because you haven't done anything.
I guess the basis of our request is the congenital heart failure and the medical treatment that she would receive in the state jail facility. She hasn't done anything towards the court, but she did at one point receive gainful employment, and that was a huge struggle and a huge hurdle that had to be overcome by Ms. Tenohara. I think you can see based on her drug court participation as well as even the medical documentation, she is a methamphetamine addict and has struggled with addiction for quite some time. And so even just getting gainful employment was a feat in and of itself.
And who's taking care of your child?
I think it's her mom. Is that
That's my sister.
Your sister. And they're here, Judge.
So does anybody want to tell me why I should just give her a year? She hasn't done anything. I mean, not even paid towards HEB since 2018.
And so our request would be based on the medical issues, as well as the fact that she did seek gainful employment. We understand that this is not the way Ms. Tenohara should have handled this. She understands that.
State.
Judge, I did take into consideration the medical issues, which is why I stated asking for 2 years on this.